Hi, friends! Today we're visiting the Arctic to meet cool winter animals.
White like snow, white like bear.
White keeps him warm and safe here. Look! A penguin loves to slide.
Penguins wear black and white, like tiny suits.
This is an Arctic fox. Small, smart, and fast.
Gray fur hides him in the snow.
Seal loves to rest and swim all day.
Blue like the Arctic Sea.
Every color helps animals live here. Wow, the sky is painting.
All animals could be friends.
Safety first. Ice bridge ready. Whee! Just like the penguins. It's cold.
Now it's warm again. Let's help him up together.
Hooray for teamwork!
Teamwork means helping friends, just like us. Sometimes snow, sometimes clear sky. Sharing keeps us warm inside.
Look!
Mine's a polar bear.
Today we learned about Arctic animals, colors, and teamwork. See you next time!